Concensmart. Remotely monitor and manage your Dosify dispensers. Dosify revolutionizes the way cleaning solutions are prepared by expertly mixing cleaning concentrates with filtered water on site. This innovative approach drastically cuts down the size and weight of plastic containers typically used for transporting cleaning fluids, offering a more sustainable and efficient solution. With patented technology, Dosify ensures precise mixing of concentrate and water, guaranteeing consistent quality every time. Dosify provides a safe and reliable mixing process that sets new standards in the cleaning industry. To ensure that a network of Dosify dispensers operates at peak efficiency, it's essential to remotely monitor each dispenser's status and track concentrate usage. This proactive monitoring streamlines supply chains and minimizes waste. Enter Concensmart, a blinker-light integration platform for remote access and monitoring of Dosify dispensers. Concensmart transforms plastic containers from mere disposables into dynamic, life-cycle components with active properties that interact with the Dosify network. The Concensmart system is accessible through a suite of web applications designed to provide secure remote access from any location worldwide. Access to Concensmart is structured around user roles, with each user assigned a specific role that delineates their system capabilities. For instance, an on-site user is granted the ability to view the status of their Dosify dispenser but is restricted from reconfiguring it. Conversely, a technician responsible for servicing a set of Dosify dispensers is authorized to reconfigure a dispenser but is not permitted to modify overarching system parameters. Additionally, a master role can exist, which possesses the authority to reconfigure any system parameters. You can view the available Concensmart applications from the My App Index page, which is unique to every user depending on the user's roles. The Concensmart system consists of concentrates, dispenser bottles that on-site personnel use for cleaning, concentrate bottles that are installed in the Dosify dispenser, and most importantly, the Dosify dispenser. I will discuss the Dosify twin later. Let's first take a look at the concentrates. The Concentrate app is a list of all the concentrates available in the system. Clicking on a unique concentrate will display information about that concentrate. Each concentrate is given a unique ID for tracking, a short description, and a link to a web page with a detailed description of the concentrate. There is also a link to the safety document for the concentrate. The Dosify system needs to know the density and the dilution factor for each concentrate. If the user has the correct role, they can adjust all of these parameters from the settings card. Now, click on the home icon to go back to the My Apps Index page. Next, we will take a look at the concentrate bottles. The concentrate bottle page shows all the concentrate bottles that the user has permission to view. Note that this will not be all the concentrate bottles in the system. Taking a look at the super user, one can see that this user has permission to view more bottles than the standard user. Let's open up one of the concentrate bottle apps. As with the concentrates, each bottle is assigned a unique ID. Once a concentrate bottle is installed in a Dosify dispenser, a link to the Dosify dispenser is available. If the bottle is not installed in any Dosify machine, then the link will not be available. A link to the concentrate that the bottle is assigned is also available. Also on the status card of the concentrate bottle app is listed the Dosify container slot, when the bottle information was updated, when the bottle was last used, and when the bottle was installed in a Dosify dispenser. Following the timestamp information is listed how much concentrate is remaining, the last amount used, the total amount used, and how many times the bottle has been refilled. Because bottles in the Concensmart system are thought of as active components, they have alarmable properties. For example, the service technician should receive an alarm if the amount remaining in a concentrate bottle becomes too low. Alarmable properties are set by clicking on the LED light on the right-hand side of a card. The low and high fields are the error limits, and the low and high fields are the warning limits. For example, if the amount remaining in the concentrate bottle falls below the low limit, the technician will receive a notification on his mobile phone or desktop app from the Concensmart notification system. The notification system is a publish-subscribe system and is completely configurable by user and notification. The concentrate bottle can be reconfigured using the settings card on the concentrate bottle app. However, if the concentrate bottle is installed in a Dosify dispenser, it cannot be modified until the technician removes the bottle from the dispenser. In the Concensmart system, the complete history of each concentrate bottle is stored. You can easily search that history from the concentrate bottle app. In addition, you can download the history into a spreadsheet, which can be very useful for tracking inventory and billing. Since much more data is stored in the Concensmart database, additional reporting applications are easy to develop for future use. Now let's take a look at the dispenser bottles. Like the concentrate bottle app, the dispenser bottles app shows all the bottles that the user has permission to use. Now let's choose a particular dispenser bottle. The status card displays all the properties of the dispenser bottle, such as the last Dosify dispenser it was used in, the concentrate that the bottle can be filled with, timestamp data, how much water and how much concentrate has been dispensed, the number of fills, and the physical properties of the bottle. Like the concentrate bottles, the complete history of each dispenser bottle is stored and can be searched and displayed. Finally, let's take a look at the Dosify dispenser itself. Since the Dosify dispenser is under the final stages of development, we do not have a network of Dosify dispensers to test. However, we can use the concept of digital twins and build a network of virtual Dosify dispensers in the cloud. Even after the Dosify dispensers have completed final development and a real network of dispensers have been deployed in the field, the digital twin network can still be very useful in developing AI models that can optimize inventory, transport, and maintenance strategies along with cost and pricing models. Now that I have explained the concept of digital twins, let's take a look at a particular Dosify app. Just as in the case of the concentrate and dispenser bottles, the Dosify apps are also governed by role-based access. That is, only certain users can view specific Dosify dispensers. The Dosify app leads with an overview card which gives basic information about the dispenser such as its serial number, its name, and its location. There is a heartbeat that indicates whether communication between the app and the physical device is functioning and a live display of the Dosify dispenser scale. Below the overview card is the dispenser status card which shows the state of the dispenser along with statistics of how much water and concentrate has been used for each slot. There is also a graphical display of the status of each slot. Below the graphical display of slot status is links to the concentrate bottles that are installed in each slot. As with all the other apps, there is a history card in which you can search over the complete history of the Dosify dispenser. Underneath the history card is digital status of the Dosify machine which can be used for troubleshooting. Now, let's simulate a filling of a dispenser bottle with the digital twin. We simulate the placing of the dispenser bottle on the Dosify platform by increasing the raw scale value on the digital twin. Note that the scale display on the Dosify app also increases accordingly. The actual dispenser has a built-in reader that will read the QR code on the dispenser bottle. The QR code contains only the dispenser bottle serial number because all the filling information is contained in the Concensmart database and will be transmitted to the Dosify dispenser once the QR code is registered. We will simulate the reading of the QR code by typing in the serial number of the dispenser bottle. The system will perform a number of checks on the dispenser bottle such as whether the QR code is not valid, the dispenser bottle is not properly placed on the platform, the concentrate ID is not valid for the dispenser bottle, there is too much liquid in the dispenser bottle for a refill, there are no concentrate bottles in Dosify that match dispenser concentrate, or there is not enough concentrate in the concentrate bottles to fill the dispenser bottle. If all the checks pass, then the fill bottle green light is given and the bottle can be filled. As the bottle begins to be filled, you can see the status on the Dosify app update. Once the filling is complete, the dispenser bottle is removed from the platform and the scale should read 0. All the fill data has been recorded in the Concensmart database. Finally, let's finish up with a demonstration on how a technician would service a Dosify dispenser by changing out the concentrate bottles. In this scenario, the technician receives an alarm from the Concensmart notification system that the amount of concentrate in an installed concentrate bottle is too low. The technician looks up the concentrate bottle in question. She checks the alarm status and then glances at the history and confirms that the bottle is indeed too low. She locates the Dosify machine. She also checks the concentrate required. She travels to the location and removes the concentrate bottle from the Dosify machine. She refills the bottle with the appropriate concentrate. The refill is automatically logged into the Concensmart system. She then reinstalls the refilled concentrate bottle into the Dosify dispenser. The alarms are now clear and the Dosify dispenser is ready to go. That wraps up this overview of the Concensmart system. Concensmart. Remotely monitor and manage your Dosify dispensers.